Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Arlo Essentials outdoor camera. This is the second generation of this particular camera. Alright, so basically I found 3 of these at Walmart during their Black Friday sale for $30 a pop. So this was a steal. There you go, Walmart. Alright, so they just unbox this thing. Alright. There we go, we got the camera. Okay. Alright, so first of all, on the face of the camera itself, we see the camera lens. We see the light sensor, the spotlight. We got a microphone down here. And then this right here is the PIR sensor. Okay? On the top of the camera, we have the sync button. Okay? On the back of the camera, we have the mounting hole for the mount. And on the bottom of the camera, we have a rubber flap that covers the USB-C port for charging or for connecting a solar panel. Right? There we go. USB-C port. Alright? And then in the box, of course, we have the Arlo safety and compliance information. We have the setup guide. Okay. And then we also have the plastic mounting plate, front and then the back. Okay. Then we have the mounting screws and the anchor to those screws that goes with the mounting plate. And last but not least, we have a short USB-C charging cable. Alright guys, stay tuned for part 2 of this series where next I'll cover the setup of this camera. Catch you later.